Hello friends, in this video we'll learn how to define the pushover load cases, right? So for that go to define and click on load cases and click on add new load case. So here we'll give the name as push x, that is pushover load case in the x direction, right? So stiffness to use stiffness at the end of nonlinear case, that is gravity. So in this situation the software will use the stiffness value from the gravity load case, right? So load case type is static and analysis type is nonlinear, and also its model over here, and load supplied, so it should be acceleration, and load name it's ux, and scale factor it should be -1. So why -1? So let's add it. So y -1 I'll show you in a while. Okay, so geometric non-linearity parameters, let's go with p delta, and mass source let's change it to mass source 1. So load application, click on modify. So here load application control a full load or displacement control. Okay, so what is this? Alright, so there are two ways by which you can do the pushover analysis. So one is by force method and another is by displacement method. So in force method, what you do is that, so suppose if this is your building, you apply small increments of force in your building, right? In displacement method, what you do, you increase the displacement of the top floor by a small amount, right, until the target displacement is achieved. Okay, so this force method is not preferred and this displacement method is preferred, and we'll do displacement method in this video. Okay, in this displacement method, what we do, we give the displacement in the positive direction and the base shear is applied in the negative direction. So this is your base shear and this is your displacement, right? So this is the reason, that is why we chose the scale factor as -1. All right, so after that click on displacement control, and we select use monitor displacement, and here the load to a monitor displacement magnitude of this value over here cannot be obtained by any of the Indian standards. However, American standard has got some formula to calculate it. So for now we'll go with 500 mm, that is 0.5 meters. Okay, so our degree of freedom, it's u1, that is in the x direction, and add joint, we'll monitor add joint 43, and we click on OK. So after that, results saved, we'll go with multiple states, and here we'll go from 100 to 1000. You can change the range as per your requirements. Okay, so we click on OK, and here nonlinear parameters, click on modify. So maximum total steps per stage, let's change it to 300, and maximum null zero steps per stage, let's change it to 100, and click on OK. So after that click on OK, and again click on OK. After defining the pushover load case in the x direction, you can also define the pushover load case in the y direction in the same manner. All right,